What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Melly Falls.
And your girl Emily, and we BCF gang. Today we got another seafood boil Mukbang, but this time we got the lobster's tails. We got the lobster tails, the corn. Cause last time we missed out on it, but
we didn't even miss out on it. We bought that shit and forgot to put that shit in the pot.
Yeah, we actually had it, and we were like, okay, when we done with everything, we're gonna put it last, cause that's the last thing that needs to be done. But our ass forgot about it.
And we got the big king crabs, like
giant. Look at the claw.
This shit is like.
Look at the claw.
This shit is almost as long as my leg.
It's the size of my hand. Like, that shit big as hell.
It's on some G shit, bro. Baby, tell me what you rap for, nigga. Baby, tell me what you rap for, nigga. Baby, tell me what you die for, nigga. Baby, tell me what you die for, nigga. Baby, come and take a ride with a nigga. Come and see the other side with a nigga. Baby, come and pass time with a nigga. Hit it till I'm a high class nigga. Let me tell you, I ain't never had nothing. On the way to the night, I be ready.
Well, we already started eating, sorry. But today we really don't talk about like what's really going on. The riots, the looting, all that. And
the dumbasses.
But first off, I would want to say rest in peace, George Floyd. Rest in peace to everybody that has been
victimized by the goddamn police. Oh God.
We actually be getting justice now, but we shouldn't be doing all that looting.
Y'all ass out there trying to steal some new Jordans for Floyd and shit.
How does that sound? Like, I mean, yeah, how does that sound? How does stealing a pair of Jordans for yourself justice for or help in any case for George Floyd, his family, or any of that?
But hey, shit, I guess it did where they ass went to jail.
I know. But
don't do that. It's not a good idea.
No.
That's stupid.
Like, protesting, I get it. Peaceful protesting, that's cool. That's all good. Once you start getting to looting and doing all that violent shit.
I mean, if y'all want to go burn some shit down, go burn down like the white people neighborhood.
y'all are hurting black businesses. Like,
fuck that, y'all burning y'all shit down. Y'all are not gonna be able to go to this corner store no more. This motherfucker big, G.
It be.
But shit, fuck it. But nah, it's a whole lot of fucked up shit going on. I don't know. Y'all remember what Kanika Jenkins? What the fuck? What happened to that shit?
That police gave up.
Or something.
I don't think I'm gonna even get to that claw.
You gotta cut this bitch. I think everything is like skeptical though, cause like ain't no black people brave enough to start no goddamn riot. Like,
no.
They'll follow suit. They're not finna start that motherfucker though. No, sorry. I'm like, they make you see what they want you to see.
Like, okay, first off, what happened to the corona? That shit disappeared.
It don't disappear, but
I mean, it is not
it's dying down.
Yeah.
Like after that, you feel me? All this shit going on, that shit is dying down. You feel me? It's dying down. Look at this shit. Crazy. It's like that shit dying down. You don't hear people talking about that shit as much. This shit overcrowding that shit, overpowering that shit.
But like in reality, like you said, if the government didn't want us to see this, to see everything on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all that, they were gonna put it on all social media. Once they see something that like, oh, that's a threat to us, then they're gonna erase it. Like, do you like
They try to control your reality.
Yeah. Do you think that the riots would be going this long? Like, no.
If they really want to shut that shit down, they'll shut that shit down. For real.
But there's nothing we could do. The government's always gonna win. Like,
Oh man, they run this shit.
we could protest all we want. We can burn how many things we can burn. They still win at the end. Like,
If they were to do that, don't do that.
that shit hurts.
If they were to do that, everybody would come together. They know people not gonna do that shit. Everybody come together. They'll do what the fuck they supposed to do.
Like, the smart thing that can actually hurt the government is that blackout, not spend no money, not buy shit, not nothing. Cause in reality, they're gonna lose how much did it say? Like $10 billion?
I think that was deluding, or no?
That's the Blackout Tuesday. That was what Blackout Tuesday was supposed to be.
I thought that was about deluding.
Mm-mm. Looting they're doing whenever they feel like it.
Oh, they just stealing shit.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like that corn.
Hmm?
I don't like that corn.
I like it. It's good.
It's greasy as fuck. I'm
Mhm.
dripping from my lip.
I keep dipping it in the butter. Do y'all hear his dog? That's all she does when we eat.
Look at these motherfuckers. Goddamn. It's gonna be a thumbnail. Look at that.
Wait. Do some. Oh, what movie did we just saw?
Oh, Just Mercy.
Mm-mm. One of the fruit something.
What? Oh. I showed her the movie Fruitvale Station.
Bro, this shit been happening.
That shit old as fuck.
Exactly. It's been happening. It's still happening. This is actually the first time that we're actually protesting. Like,
Look. Lobster versus crab.
dumb. Oh my god.
Look at have a sea fight.
I think I put too much butter. Like, a little too much butter, cause
This motherfucker looks straight, like, crazy. I don't even know how to attack him.
you gotta get from the top.
How you attack this motherfucker?
This isn't even the full lobster. This is just a tail.
Oh man, how you attacking? I'm trying to defeat him. Trying to take this nigga down. This nigga kind of tough.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put that down. I ain't know I'm fucking with it.
Still.
He's like, leave me alone, nigga. I already did.
But like I was saying, he actually shot him in the back, like
laying down, knee on his neck.
and after he got shot, they were still searching him. Like, they were making sure, they weren't trying to cover his wound. They were nothing. They were still like searching. Oh, does he have a weapon? Like, he's gonna be able to do something. No. God damn, this shit.
You supposed to be sending a message.
Oh yeah, don't be rioting. Like, don't be rioting. Don't be rioting.
Don't be rioting.
Don't be rioting. Don't be looting.
No,
Peaceful
fuck
protest.
I say riot. Go riot. I don't care. But don't steal.
Oh, that. I need the big boys. Where's the card? No, right here. The big boy. But
You
yeah.
seen these? Damn. I be eating the shell on the shrimp. That shit gonna kill me one day.
I'm gonna tell them. Look how much meat is in that shit.
I don't know if that ass was whistling.
Shut up.
This shit bomb, bro. Wow, brother, like I play with Clay. Having a tough time with this motherfucker. He trying to fight back. You see scissors? Why you got my scissors?
Because I was using them.
And you got them big ass scissors.
I was using them and then they weren't working, so you're saying instead of them, what if
We're
it's
all
me?
equals.
What if it's on me?
We all equals. That's the message we trying to goddamn send.
So we're equivalent to dogs.
Yes. I ain't lying. This shit ain't no game. Dogs out here dying. Shit is real.
Yeah, they really are. It's so bad.
You hear me? You can't forget about the doggy. Real dog lives matter too. Stop playing. You feel me?
Do you want to try the big ones?
Nah, I'm straight. You got them. You like them big, huh?
Yup.
Bring that
I
bitch
didn't eat
on.
no
That bitch
potatoes.
dripping.
I'm not eating any potatoes.
I bitch got all my look.
You can still eat it. But what are you talking about?
I don't know. No. Alright, guys.
Moral of our mukbang.
No, they're not even a goddamn mukbang.
What is it then?
Motherfucking talk.
That's what a mukbang is.
Yeah, no,
It's
it
when
ain't.
you eat
A
and you talk.
mukbang is a goddamn mukbang. Mukbang. Muck in the bang. We ain't mukbanging. We...
A mukbang is you eat and you talk. We're eating and we're talking.
Okay. I already know. Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome. But moral of our mukbang is
Don't steal.
no.
No, for real.
Don't go looting.
No, for real. Don't be
Fuck.
doing.
Don't go looting.
Don't be out here doing dumb shit, man. Black lives matter.
It's not worth it. Like I see all these donation places and all that.
They already think
But-
your ass crazy, nigga. Don't
I
go-
know that's what this thing is all doing. It's making it worse. It's
Yeah.
making minorities look worse because
If anything-
we're proving ourselves like, oh, we're not getting hurt, so we're gonna make noise. We're gonna destroy everything.
If anything, go blow that shit up. Go blow your own shit up. Go blow up every precinct in the USA. Now you're doing something. Now you're doing something. Now they coming to the neighborhoods. They out there to do that. They gonna trip. Y'all want to make them mad? Go blow up the White House. Let's put some holes and go throw some rocks at that motherfucker.
You're gonna get us flagged.
I don't give a fuck. You feel me? It's real shit, man. I'll tell you how to do some shit when you gotta do it. Man, Black Lives Matter, cuz.
But seriously, don't go out looting. Don't destroy
Your own
people's
neighborhood.
jobs. People's.
Destroyed the white man.
No, shut
I'm
up.
not, I'm just playing. Black Lives Matter. Don't be doing that dumb shit. That shit's stupid.
Like, your life is not worth going into jail, giving them a reason to put you in jail, and what, like, for something, for trying to like, no, like, you going to jail is not worth it. That's what they want. They want to put you in jail, so don't give them a reason to. Just, what is it called? Just protest, that's it. Don't be looting, don't be doing none of that, because that's giving them a reason to
Black
put
power.
you back. That's giving you a reason to put you behind bars. He's playing, but no, for real.
Black power. Hey, I'm stupid. Alright, y'all. That's the end of this video. I'm not eating no more of this shit. The lobster, I think, is moving.
Shut up.
We'll be back with another video. BCF gang.
Hold on. Comment below what we should mukbang next. Let us know what we should cook next. And let us know if y'all want to learn
I'm
how
tired
to
of
cook.
cooking.
Like
Can we go buy some shit?
Yeah. Let us know what we should go mukbang to buy. Cause
That should be a lot cheaper. This shit.
yeah. This shit expensive.
Yeah. But
go like,
comment,
subscribe,
hit the notification bells,
and all that.
All right.
We
Yo.
is